And we are in a downtown Disney view room. Standard room here with 2 queen beds. These rooms are great size, plenty of room. We have a closet here. Some extra pillows and blankets up there. Big bathroom. Lots of space in here. There's a tub. A little Jungle Cruise picture there. And some individual bath products. Nice big bathroom. And our room here. Really cute pillows on the bed. Classic Walt picture there. And the thing everybody loves in these rooms, who wouldn't? A beautiful headboard with music and lights. Love that. And here's our view. This Earl sandwich down there torn up, and the theater. I have not filled that back in yet with something else, but you can see the Matterhorn off there in the distance. The Grand Californian. Paradise Pier right there. You can see a little bit of Cars Land back there. Guardians. This is the room. Great room.